Hey everyone, it's Rachel Arbagnick on Instagram and YouTube. Today I just got a brand new ThredUp box in, and this is a 25-piece DIY t-shirt. I haven't opened it yet, it's still taped up, but I got my scissors ready, so let's open it together. There is a lot of tape on this one, so it might take me a second, but this is should be 25 t-shirts from ThredUp, and they should be in DIY condition. I did buy one of these boxes one other time before, and it was pretty decent, so I figured I would get another one. Let's take a look and see what's inside. There we go. All right, I immediately see some tie-dye here, so that's pretty cool. Ooh, what is this? Oh, this is cool. So this is the Who. Yes, that's awesome. Is this vintage, or it just says the Who brand merch? All right, I'd say that's a good start. Let's see what else is in here. Besides fun tissue paper. Dr. Jones? It says, "No time for love." Women's large. There's two. See, this stuff is totally random in these t-shirt boxes. This is, okay, the back, this is the back of it. It says Tuna Maniac. You guys are seeing this for the first time as I am. I don't know what this is, but somebody needs a shirt that says Tuna Maniac, I'm sure. It says American Fishing and Tackle Company. There's got to be a market out there for something like that. What else we have in here? Washington Huskies. I feel like this is, oh, this is new with tag. That's cool. This is original retro brand. I'll have to look this up, but it's new with tag, so that's good. This is also new with tag. This is a Gildan. Oh, this is, oh, sweet. Because I forgot to buy one last time I went to Vegas. This is a Las Vegas, like, tourist t-shirt. It is new with tags. So somebody didn't like their souvenir and sent it to ThredUp. That's okay, I'll take it. Let's see. New York Rangers. Help me out here. This is a sports team, yes? Yes. It's just a Gildan t-shirt, and I'll have to research that one a bit, but sports team t-shirts tend to sell okay. This is like a plain white tee. This is literally a plain white t-shirt. And actually, I think there's two of them. Oh no, this isn't plain. Those might be mine for around the house. I think everybody can use a plain white tee. This is I Love Boston. It's Converse. Okay, Converse is good. Converse clothing doesn't sell for me as well as the shoes do, but I'll still take it. Of course, I'll have to go through and double check all this stuff and make sure it's, you know, sellable condition, but at first glance, everything looks good so far. Hopefully I didn't just jinx myself by saying that. This is, oh, my favorite band, My Chemical Romance. It's really dark. It's hard to see. I don't know if it's like faded like that intentionally, but I might keep this. It's a size medium, probably a men's medium. Very nice. That's a nice surprise. Is this a rhino? Somebody needs this too. Let's be honest. Somebody needs a shirt like this. No brand really, just a funky graphic shirt. I think so far this is fun. There's some fun stuff in here. Okay. The next batch looks like it's probably like women's t-shirts. So let's see. This the brand is Cruel, which I don't really think is anything special. It's got sort of like a floral pattern by the neckline. This one is Talbot's. Okay, it says Te Amo on it. If you can see the graphic there, Te Amo. Yes. I don't pick up a ton of Talbots unless it's a really special piece, but now that I have this, I probably will list it and just to see how it goes. And actually, I forgot how much I paid for this box, and I haven't found a receipt yet, so hopefully there's one in here. This is a basic soft washed t-shirt, and it's from Old Navy. Actually, this might also become mine because it's my size. I don't typically list basic Old Navy items like that. I don't pick them up. They're not really worth selling on their own anyway. But I'll take a few things out of here. That's fine. It's a really plain white V-neck t-shirt, but the brand is Diesel. I know once upon a time Diesel was pretty sought after. I don't know that Diesel is still sought after, but probably could list this on its own. Of course, I'll have to make sure I already see maybe a little bit of a stain, so I'll have to further inspect. This is Forever 21. It's a plain gray t-shirt. It says it's a size small, but this looks really big for a size small. And the arms have safety pins, so obviously whoever was actually a size small thought so too. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Oh. This is a Rick and Morty t-shirt. It's brand new from Kohl's, but the price tag, I don't know if you can see it, the price tag originally was only $15, so I could probably get a couple bucks for this. It's an extra large, and it's new, so all right. Let me sleep. Yes, I agree. The brand is iShop here. What is this? Somebody drop in the comments. What is this? I've never heard of this brand. I'll have to look it up. It feels nice. It's a cute shirt. It's got eyelashes. Let's see. The Beatles. I'm loving the vintage vibe of this box, you guys. This is a Beatles. It looks a little bit worn, but isn't that what vintage is all about? I don't know this is actually vintage, but that's pretty sweet. This looks like it's a plain t-shirt, Express. This is a large, but it's probably a men's large looking at how big it is. Not sure about that. It looks like it's pretty worn. This is a DIY t-shirts box, so I would expect that some of it is not in sellable condition or not worth enough to really sell on its own. Okay. This says Superior PB Donut Surf. Is this from something? Is this from a TV show or a movie or anybody? It just says made in the Dominican Republic. So I don't know. I'll have to look that up too. It's fun. Yellow's in right now, yes. So that's good. This is a Merona, whoops, just a basic striped t-shirt. Also perhaps might fit me, so I might keep that too. I definitely wouldn't list, if it doesn't fit me, I probably would just give this to Goodwill or send it back to ThredUp. It's from Target, Merona. It's not worth really listing. This is Everlane. Ooh, it felt nice as soon as I took it out of the box too. And in fact, I wouldn't be surprised if this is a linen blend just by how it feels. No, it's 100% cotton, but it feels really nice. So this is a basic Everlane t-shirt, but Everlane is a pretty sought after brand. Their stuff is pretty expensive on their website. They're a sustainable brand, so this is good. I just have to make sure, you know, that it's no flaws or anything. I also have to figure out if it's men's or women's. I think it's going to be women's, but it does look like it's on the oversized side, so I'll have to find out. I should be able to easily find that. This is Massimo as well. So this is again from Target. I probably wouldn't list this either, although it does look like it's brand new. I don't feel any tags on it though. Couple more, I think just 2 or 3, maybe 4. This is American Apparel, but isn't this the Converse logo? But it's not a Converse shirt, it's American Apparel, but or maybe it's not the Converse logo. I don't know. I'll have to find out what that is. Does anybody know what logo this is? Or is this, what is this? Anybody? I'm seeing this stuff for the first time, okay? I have to figure some of this out still. So stay tuned. Oh, there's 2 here. I see some, ooh. This is New with Tags Vans. This is a Vans t-shirt. And actually the back is what's cool. It's got this surfing logo. That's exciting. This is small. Probably this is men's, I would say. All right, I've got another t-shirt with this same logo on it, but this one's orange. I still don't know what this is from 5 seconds ago, so help me out if you know. And, oh, there's one more shirt in here. I still don't see a receipt. That's okay. This is a third plain white t-shirt. Maybe if I have 3 of them and they're all like the same, I can put them up 3 for like $10 or something on Poshmark. So that's the last one. So what do I think of this box? I think this, just at first glance, is pretty good. I'm happy with the amount of stuff in here that's new with tags. The Vans shirt is great. The Everlane shirt is great. Based on being a DIY shirt, shirt box, I think there's some pretty good stuff in here. What I'll do is I will post a video 90 days after I list everything, just to let you guys know what actually sold out of here, what I actually decided to list, or how many pieces I decided to list. You know, it's one thing to see what's in the box and say, oh, yay, this is good stuff, or no, it's not. But really what matters is, you know, how quickly does it sell? How quickly does it turn around? And what kind of profit do you get out of the actual stuff that's in it? So I will post a follow-up in 90 days. I consider a box to be a good box as long as I can triple my money within 90 days. I forget how much I paid for this box, but I'll make sure to drop it in the comments since the receipt wasn't in here. And then you can definitely look for the follow-up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also hit that button, that bell button, so you get notifications if you want to see what happens to this box 90 days later. So thank y'all for watching, and I will see you on the next one.